Welcome to the Wokest Warren, where we have the Wokest Discourse. Today, I'm going to talk about the rule of law and how it no longer exists. Well, I got up this morning and I read a story about someone who was arrested yesterday by ICE in Minneapolis. And he is a U.S. citizen. I want to remind you that ICE has no authority whatsoever to detain U.S. citizens. They're supposed to be immigration and customs enforcement, right? So why are they fucking with U.S. citizens at all? Like, it makes no sense. You're not going to deport a U.S. citizen. So why are you arresting them? That makes no sense. But it was revealed why he was arrested when he was interviewed. They took him to some place that was full of detainees, like a warehouse somewhere. And he was held for 8 hours. And when they interviewed him, they said that they would let him go if he gave them the names of other protesters. Now, what legal authority do ICE have to do this? None. None whatsoever. And yet, it's happening. So I want you to think about, as you watch these videos in Minneapolis of ICE doing extremely illegal shit, I want you to understand that the federal government is also watching these videos, and they are allowing all of this to happen. The state government is watching all these videos, and they are allowing all of this to happen. We in the United States are propagandized and brainwashed into thinking that we have something called rights. This is what I was trying to write my book on, about the Declaration of Independence. Rights are not real. If you cannot back up your rights with muscle, they don't exist. The rule of law is not a thing that exists. All that matters is there are dudes there with guns that wrestle you to the ground, zip tie you, and haul your ass away. That's the reality of the world that we live in. What I want you to understand is the rights thing, that was an illusion. So this is not like the rights are being violated and that we're gonna set the system straight so that our rights don't get violated. It's like, all that is over. All that matters is brute force. Because ICE has no legal authority to detain U.S. citizens. None whatsoever. You can walk up to an ICE officer, you can flip him the bird, you can call him whatever names you want to. They have no authority to detain you. None. You can tell them to fuck themselves. Like, they have no legal authority. Now, if you tell them to fuck themselves, they might hit you in the face because they don't follow the law. But I'm saying, if they don't follow the law, why should you? I mean, let me rephrase that, because you actually aren't breaking any laws. What I'm saying is, like, why give these people fucking courtesy? You know? They're disgusting fucking thugs that have no place in a free society, and they should be treated that way. If an ICE agent asks you questions, don't answer them. If a cop asks you questions, don't answer them. Do not answer any fucking questions whatsoever. That is your right to plead the fifth. but it doesn't matter. They'll beat you anyway. They're going to beat you regardless, okay? So you may as well not give them any information. Except, as I have pointed out, Ohio is an identification state. And the way the law is written, you have to tell them your name, your birthday, and your address. All right. Thanks for listening.